Sarah here from Road to Nowhere, and we are here at the Enfield car pageant, the Enfield Fields. Got some awesome cool rides behind me. I want to do that one, but I'm a bit scared. But I'm definitely going to do the Scrambler. There's some weird guy walking around. Might as well introduce you to him now. This is Tony. Me and Tony are a thing at the moment.
Oh yeah.
So he's going to be my infringing on some of my videos. I'm going to show him the ropes. We're going to go check out some hot cars, get some food, and try to get him on the ride. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah? Join us. Shall you? Sorry, I had to copy Adam. Thanks, Adam.
And your hands in the air if you want to go faster.
Thanks, it's time. Night Rider! Now, Michael. Here he is. We all know this one from Night Rider. David Aguilar. We remember that one. How are you guys? Even speaks to you, didn't it? Who's all the parties that, mate? Is it really? Wow.
I'm trying to walk around and film these cars. It's being very rude, talking while I'm trying to film. Shut up!
Because I'm not so educated.
It's like he's got a job to do or something. Looking for some more American cars. I think I see some really hot rod trucks over here, though. Some nice classic Ford Bluesmobile. I wonder if that's my mate Aunt. I'll have to go see if that's my mate. Hang on, let's go look. Look at that Chevrolet Ford Lowrider, California plate, sticker plate. That is sweet. Look at that, you got Fat Boy rims and tires. Classic Chevrolet rear lights. She ain't straight, she's a V8. I like it, I like a V8. My first car was a V8 Ford Mercury Cougar. That's hot though. Your step board. White rims. Lovely white rims. It's a Ford F100. It's a gorgeous color as well. Hold up. Someone stole my car. Nice Pontiac. Now okay, technically my first car was a Pontiac Grand Am. Very close to this color. The Cougar was my mom's, so technically not mine. But this is lovely Pontiac. It's a Pontiac Parisienne? I don't know that one. But it's a gorgeous color. Wow. Of course, you got the Bluesmobile. Bluesmobile London. Is this Richard's car? Is this my mate's car? I don't know. And tonight is ladies' night.
Oh, in the boot. Oh my God! Oh, I saw that. I was going to buy that. I was just going over there to go buy it.
Plymouth, nice. Stingray, oh shit. Nice. Nice Stingray. Longhorn, Ranch. I thought you wanted a photo with the car. Okay. That. Doc Hudson, right there. That. Dude, my grandmother had one of these, but it was brown. It was a brown and beige El Camino. And I have blue El Camino. That's so cool. I don't know what year that is. But no, my grandmother, my mama's mama, had a brown and beige El Camino. And she'd put the groceries back in the trunk in the boot. But look at these. Look at these gorgeous. Oh, see, it's a classic car that does it for me. Fleetline, that is a Doc Hudson. That's gorgeous. And that color as well. And you've got a fin there. Gorgeous grill.
This one, yeah.
For all of us in-car singers, they've even got a microphone. We're obviously sing in the car because they're not good enough to sing in the shower. You got a speaker back there. But look at this. Look at these wheel covers. Oh, just the white rim. You got your white rims, your white walls. She got a lot of junk in her trunk. Coming back. That's nice detailing there. Gorgeous. That's a nice bit of ass. This is cool. This is an old Volkswagen van. At first in the back I thought it was like the Creeps car from Jeepers Creepers. It's not far off it though. Come on. You could do. Look, you've got saw in there. This is definitely a serial killer's van. You've got antlers. Now, was that real rust or painted rust? That's what it's real or painted. It's an old chimney sweep. It's Dick Van Dyke's van. Look, there is a thing for soap, so he does keep himself clean. Creep, the UK. This is the UK creep. Look. This is like an original RV. You got your water, you dump, you got your storage, more storage, pitchfork, brush. Very equipped. I think he's regretting coming out with me now.
No, it's all fine.
Her and her bloody camera. Right. If you know me, you know there are two cars that are like the loves of my life. One, a 57 Chevy Bel Air, aka Christine. Two, a Lamborghini Murcielago. Preferably in orange or green or yellow. It's the only car that can pull off oranges, greens, and yellows. And I don't think this is a Murcielago. It looks more like a Hurricane. But we'll have a look. Some guy's sitting in it. I was going to steal this. Somebody's sitting in it. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's an Inventor. I was wrong. It's neither a Murcielago or a Hurricane. It's an Inventor. Still very sexy. And look, it's the pink lady's car. Shut up while I'm filming. So rude. Dogs. Dogs. Why? Why's it gotta be dogs? This is hotness. This dream car. So everybody else who were little girls and boys, and we had the book fair at school, and all the little girls, 5, 6-year-old girls, were buying posters of kittens and rainbows. I was buying the red Lamborghini poster. So that has always been my car of choice. One day. I did drive one. I'll pop a link to that video up here. Did drive one a couple years ago. This pink lady's car. This is a Chrysler. Look at that. These fins. Fins for days. For days. It's a Windsor. I wonder if it's a royal car. It's pink though. Look at that. They don't make this like this anymore. Look, no seat belts. Huge back. This is when they had just the bench seat, and you would slide all over that thing when you went around corners. Gorgeous. I love a classic car. They don't make them like this anymore. Cars these days just don't really do it for me. Very few. Mom said I was definitely bored a decade or two too late. So I'm definitely a 50s, 60s kind of gal. So I've seen a Lamborghini. Now we have to find a Bel Air. We find a Bel Air, I'm happy. I can go home happy. Eventually, after food. At some point. Do you need the bathroom? There's porta potties. The right color, I don't think the right year. But it's a Bel Air. Gorgeous color. Gorgeous. Oh my God. Dice. The wheel matches the bodywork. So gorgeous. Not red, not the right fins, not the right year. She's a 56, I need a 57. But that's still gorgeous. Tony's found him a Mustang. Nothing wrong with a good old Mustang. It's not a Lamborghini, but you know, it's a Ford. Ford's a good solid car. We still need to find some lunch. I had a little bit of breakfast this morning, but it was getting hungry. Ooh! Do my eyes deceive me? Wrong color, but we're getting closer. I still need a gimbal. Does anybody want to buy me a gimbal? There we go. 57 Bel Air. There's my baby. Wrong color, but still gorgeous. It's blue. Blue is good. I like blue. Here's Christine's brother, Christopher. And a gorgeous puppy. Oh, he's so beautiful. That's the best dog, German Shepherd. That's the best breed.
You don't see a lot of them back nowadays, do you?
Oh, look at the fence.
Can I take a picture of you in that?
Yes. Can we steal it? Look at that gorgeous interior. Matches everything. Again, white walls. Fins for days. Kennedy sticker, love it. Good old Kennedy. I love the gold emblem on the blue. It's gorgeous. She doesn't have the popping out lights, but that's okay. We'll forgive that because fins. I'm not touching it, but if I lick it, it's mine. Look at that. Gorgeous. The inside.
Where it used to be. That's where the stereo, and that was where the
Let's try for a thumbnail. I don't know if that'll be, hang on. That might be our thumbnail, we'll see. Apparently someone knew I was coming. You've got a gorgeous black. I'm not sure what this is, but it's gorgeous. And the license plate is 666. It's perfect. It's my car. Look, it has teeth. We got a Sugar Skull air freshener. Somebody, thank you for bringing my car to me. Gorgeous. No tags. So I don't know what this is. So if you know what this is, tell me. I have a hunch, but I'm not 100% sure. Nice white rims, white walls. It probably says on the flyer if I look. That's gorgeous. That'd be hard to drive around here.
I'll say.
Right? It's like, I'll be 5 minutes, just hang on.
Could be a 200.10.
There's another Pontiac. I love me a Pontiac. My first car is a Pontiac. There's another Pontiac. Corvette. Is this a Corvette for Sheila? There you go, Sheila. Happy birthday. Do you remember when the Corvettes, not the Corvettes, the Trans Ams, and they had the T-bone? They had that bar that went across the sunroof? If you remember that, you're old. Just like me. This is what I was trying to tell Tony earlier. I'm not a girly girl. I love my cars. I know my cars. I can spot a certain car just by seeing the nose of it. That's a nice Corvette. It's a nice vet. But did y'all get Trans Ams over here at all?
No, I don't think we did.
They were cool. They're very similar to the Corvette, but different. It's Pontiac, and they had like a tribal eagle emblem on the hood of the roof, on the hood of the hood, the top of the hood.
Right, okay.
And when it had a sunroof like that, it had a T-bone. It had a bar between the two, so it had two separate windows you'd have to take out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
That's a vet.
Yeah. This woman knows her cars.
I know my cars. Telling him the other day, you put some air in that tire before it goes flat, you're gonna damage your rims. He won't listen to me. He will learn. He will learn. That's pretty, but someone's not taking care of it. Maybe on purpose. I don't know. Maybe well, it looks like it's been dredged out from the sea. Snake hole. Ah, dang it.
Oh, stop the press.
Whew. Alright, it's not my car, but it's hot. Alright, so this is an Oldsmobile who's trying to be a Chevy. Oldsmobile trying to be a Chevy. She is hot though. I don't know what's going on with the side. It's not really fins, is it though? It's like they tried to have fins. Inside's lovely. Got Confederate flag, bandana. Clearly an Alabama fan. It's nice though, but it's not Chevy. It's trying to be a Chevy. It's Thunderbird.
Well, every time I see your sister, she's with somebody new. She's mean and she's evil like a little old boy weevil, so I try my luck with you. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Say it's very nice and then you run.
We're gonna start wrapping up the day here, as well as amazing cars. They've also got like boot sale and merch. I just bought some, one rum, one gin, one vodka. They were on offer. It'd be rude not to. And it was a brand that I've tried before that I really liked, but they didn't have the one that I liked. So you can hear me over the music. It's a bit loud back there. There's another Chevy. The Fords, but oh, so close. It's almost Christine up here, almost. She trying. There's one over here too that's trying. What am I done that for? That one over there. She's trying. This is a Cadillac though, not a Chevy. Still gorgeous. Well, fins for days. You have white walls, gorgeous white walls. There's a bit of reflection, getting quite a lot of reflection in there. This is like the pointed tail lights. I love those. King of the Fin. Yep. Maybe while Tony's doing his DJing thing tonight, I'll watch Christine. So in the mood for Christine now. That's my car right there. That's my girl. I don't think she's a 57, but she's pretty damn close if she's not. Gorgeous white walls. You got the gold emblem, which is gorgeous. Got people walking in front of my camera. Right. So this is almost a Christine. I don't think she's a 57, but she's a Chevy Bel Air. Fins. This is not convertible. Christine was a convertible. Now in the book, Christine was a Fury. Double check that. This is a Fury. But this is a Bel Air. I think they had like 20 something cars that they used in the movie. Michael and Jessica, Grim Life Collective, got to see one of them that still remains and got some Christine blood, i.e. oil, that was in the car when they made the movie, which is awesome. I need to kind of get to that car, but this is gorgeous. Just take that home with me. Well, just gift wrap it, that and the Lamborghini, take them home with me. Great, perfect, done. Don't even need a receipt. I'll just take them. There. Let's go spend some money we don't have. Right, so I was wrong. She was a 57. I was debating it. There's just a couple of things that's like, it's not quite right, but she was a 57. That's hot. Well, I don't know what that is. But we're just gonna walk around, look at the shops, spend some money we ain't got on crap we don't need, like alcohol. Look at a few cars that are still out this way. People are starting to pack up though, I think, because I think doors shut at, what time is it? I don't know what time it is.
I thought it was 7, wasn't it? The doors shut at 7?
Something like that.
Yeah.
A few cars have left. But we're just gonna hang out. We can't stay up too long. Tony's got DJing tonight. There'll be some details about that down below in the comments for future things, because it's live, so you can't watch tonight's because I won't have this up for a couple of days. But next time. Woo! I've had 2 samples of alcohol. I'm fine. It's a field. It's uneven ground.
She's had too much.
I'm not. Look at all the junk. Not junk. Stuff. Stuff. Oh no, he's found something. He's found a tripod.
That's for the whole lot, isn't it?
Oh, is it for the... My granddaddy used to collect a lot of junk. He had clocks galore. Clocks and locks, like deadbolt lock, like locks.
Padlock.
Thank you, padlocks. He even had a blowfish. He had a dead blowfish that was blown up. So I don't know if he was taxidermied. He was empty, like hollow inside. What else did he have? There's a spotlight. That'd be good to use when upstairs, but it's his floodlights on. I can just shine that back up at him. Not for that much. I don't need a spotlight though. That's like for a boat. That's a boat light. I wonder if I'll just kind of do that. If that will kind of help. I don't think it'll work.
Those for hips.
Oh, is that the hip one? Is that the knee one? Maybe let's try that one.
Yeah, I do have my hip and one for his other hip.
I wish it was that easy.
Oil nipples there, is it? Just a little squirt. WD-40.
I wish it was that
That'd
easy.
be easy, yes.
Oh, bless you. He gets on to me because I don't use my stick, and I'm like, I can't carry a bag and a camera and a stick and a...
I put a couple of things in carry bags and to leave them.
So lots of Route 66 stuff. So much Route 66 stuff, which is just rubbing it in more how much I want to go back. Oh, there's Ranchero Motel. Loads of metal signs. Right, that is all done from the Enfield car show pageant thing this year. Don't know what my next video is, or I'd tell you, but check out my California playlist. We just finished Disney in LA with some famous graves and other stuff. And I'll check back with you guys later. Please like this video and subscribe and share with your friends. Let's get me to at least 100 subscribers, please. That would be great. Catch you later. Because I can't talk anymore. I'm done. I'm tired. We're done. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Hey, everybody. Fuck, where are we? What are we at?
Enfield car pageant.
Enfield car pageant.
Enfield pageant. Yeah.
Okay. That's a blooper reel. Everybody, it's Tara from... God damn it. Hang on. Alright. Hey, everybody. It's Tara from Road to